Hey, this is Dean Schott, US Boat Ramps. Found a product a couple years ago called Barkeeper's Friend. Found lots of uses for it on our boat. It's great for cleaning stainless steel, and it does take rust off a lot of other things. We're going to show you how we use it. Check it out in a minute. Most boats have tons of stainless steel all over the boat. One of the things we're going to focus on today is cleaning up these switches. You know, you're probably familiar with these. They're used for different types of things on the boat, but there's some corrosion on this switch. Up and down, you can see that. We're going to show you how to take that off. Hey, the first thing you need to do is kind of shake this up because the material in the bottle does get separated. Open up the cap. We're going to pour a little bit of that on the rag. I like these microfiber rags. They work pretty well. Show you how to take that right off the switch. Doesn't take a whole lot. I'm going to rub it around. You can see it takes a lot of the rust right off first pass. We're going to do a couple of passes and we'll be right back to show you the finished product. Yeah, we're back. You can see the difference between beginning and end. This is a really clean switch. You can see that compared to this switch up here, which still has a lot of corrosion on it. You can see the green right there, but this one's completely clean. Didn't take very much effort. Today we talked about Barkeeper's Friend. I picked this bottle up at Lowe's for less than 10 bucks. It's a great product. Thanks for watching. Dean Schott, US Boat Ramps. Check us out at usboatramps.com.